South Africa says a new strain of the coronavirus is driving a second wave of infection in the country. Experts say the new strain appears to be more infectious than the original virus and that cases are spreading faster. It's still unclear if it also more deadly. Scientists say the new variant is different from the one currently causing concern in Britain. The number of daily cases has doubled in South Africa over the last 2 weeks. More on this, I'm joined by virologist Professor Barry Scoop. He's the founding president of the African Virology Association and is chairing South Africa's Ministerial Advisory Committee on Coronavirus Vaccine Development. Welcome to BBC News Africa. Prof. We understand that this new variant of COVID-19 in South Africa that is deemed to be spreading faster than the current one. How worried are you about it?
Yeah, it is certainly a sense of concern. This variant it's called the N501Y. Ours is variant version 2, V2. The version 1 actually was in London, in the UK. It's also 501. Ours is a little bit different. We've got different mutations, but like one in England, we are very concerned because it is spreading very rapidly. In fact, it is fast displacing the original COVID virus, and this is really going to become the dominant virus. So in many parts of the country, particularly in the South and the Eastern Cape, the Western Cape and KwaZulu-Natal provinces, this has really become the major dominant strain. And as I say, is responsible really for a steep increase in cases in our second wave.
Professor, many people in South Africa have traveled and will be gathering groups over the Christmas holiday. How concerned are you about that in light of what you just said?
Yeah, this is the problem. We actually were anticipating a second wave later probably in January, February. It's come a lot earlier for two reasons. One of them is that we had a big super spreading event in what's called the Rage Festival. This is when the students who finish their high school, they have get-togethers, and many thousands of these students get together, and that's probably initiated the epidemic. And now this new strain has actually amplified it.
And what does the discovery of this new variant of the virus mean for vaccine development, Professor?
Well, fortunately, so far, it does not appear that this is what you call an escape mutation. In other words, that either people that are immune from previous infection or if they have the vaccine, that they're going not to be protected. It doesn't seem to affect that part of it. The vaccine does appear to be effective so far. There are studies which are ongoing, but hopefully it will demonstrate that it is not affected by any changes in antigenicity. In other words, the vaccine identity.
All right, that's Professor Barry Scoop speaking to us in South Africa. Thank you.
Thanks, Christine.